Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because I got a wig from Braids Queen. It's still in the package. I'm ready to take it out and share it with you guys. I'm going to be showing you some different styles we can do. So this is my first braided wig. Can't wait to see what it looks like. Okay, stay tuned. Alright, Braids Queen. This is a nice little bag you can keep your wig in. Let's open. And this is what the wig is looking like. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put on my wig cap and get the foundation ready, and we'll go from there. Also, I did fail to mention that there is a wig cap inside. It's not my color. I have my own, so I'm gonna use. And yeah, I forgot to show you how the construction of the cap. The inside it comes with the band here. Here's a lace. It does come with baby hairs. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps in the back as well. This is the stocking cap that I'm using in a natural color brown. Alright, so I have my wig cap on. I'm just going to go ahead and just put a little foundation. Now I went ahead, I finished putting the foundation in the front of the wig cap, and now I'm going to put the wig on. And here we go. It is adjustable, so I'm just going to adjust it because I knew I have a lot of hair. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this out to be glue. Blasting spray here. Freeze spray. I'm gonna be using this here to hold down the wig. So this is what it is looking like so far. This is what it looks like when it's down. It goes down to the back here. And I'm gonna show some different ways we can play with this wig. Let me see. You can do half up, half down. Or you can do like a high bun. You put in a ponytail. You can put on a little cute headband just to dress it up. You can do a side ponytail. It also came with these little fun pieces to put in there. Let's see what that looks like. You got a little hair jewelry that I just attached. attached on. I think they have plenty of wigs that will be really good for when you go out of town. You don't want to get your hair braided. It's much cheaper because it's already pre-made. You have your wig already braided up. You put it on whenever. So it's good vacation hair. And you don't have to worry about sitting in the chair for hours, for 8 hours. You put it on and then you fix it up how you want it, and then you're good. Alright, so this wig can be found again on braidsqueen.com. This wig in particular, the link is down below. This is the color 1B27. And these are the Goddess Box Braids lace frontal wigs. So go check them out.